It cuts through the desert like a silver arrow. At 250 kilometers per hour, it's not just a train, it's the future on rails. When Siemens Mobility unveiled the Velaro high-speed train in Cairo, Egypt officially stepped into a new chapter, one that could transform transport across Africa forever. The moment Egypt redefined mobility. At the TransMEA 2025 exhibition, the region's biggest transportation and logistics event, Siemens Mobility revealed the Velaro to the public for the very first time. It wasn't just a showpiece, it was the centerpiece of Egypt's high-speed rail dream, a dream that's finally becoming reality. The Velaro, built with cutting-edge German engineering and customized for Egypt's desert conditions, is more than fast, it's resilient. Capable of speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour, it's designed to thrive in extreme heat and shifting sands while offering comfort to 489 passengers inside. That same day, another major step took place near the 6th of October depot in western Cairo. The Desiro high-capacity regional train, another Siemens model, completed its first test run on brand, new tracks. Both events marked key milestones in Egypt's journey to modernize its transport system and connect its people like never before. Witnessing the moment were Prime Minister Dr. Mostafa Madbouli, Minister of Transport Kamal El Wazir, Siemens AG President and CEO Roland Busch, and Siemens Mobility CEO Michael Peter. Their presence reflected just how important this project is, not just for Egypt, but for the entire region. The Suez Canal on rails. The project has already earned a nickname that says it all: the Suez Canal on rails. Just as the Suez Canal reshaped maritime trade, this new high-speed rail network is set to transform how people and goods move across Egypt. The first major line, the Green Line, will stretch about 660 kilometers, linking Cairo, Ain Sokhna, Alexandria, and Marsa Metro. It's being built in partnership with Arab contractors and Orascom Construction, two of Egypt's top infrastructure firms. When completed, the full high-speed network will span over 2,000 kilometers, connecting nearly 90% of Egypt's population. That makes it one of the largest rail networks in the world, and easily the biggest in Africa. But the real transformation lies in what it means for people. Travel times between major cities will drop by up to 50%. CO2 emissions will fall sharply, and industries across the country will gain faster access to markets, ports, and new opportunities, built to survive the desert. What makes the Velaro different is that it's not a one-size-fits-all train. Siemens designed it specifically for Egypt's environment. The desert poses tough challenges: high temperatures, dust, storms, and shifting sand. But every part of this train was built to handle them. Siemens used Altair's advanced digital twin technology, a virtual model that simulates real-world performance, to design the train from the ground up. Engineers tested how it would react to heat, sand, and long operating hours before building a single physical component. As a result, the Velaro includes robust filtration systems, enhanced cooling units, and dust-resistant materials that ensure smooth operation year-round. Inside, passengers enjoy cool, quiet comfort no matter how harsh the conditions outside. This combination of speed, strength, and sustainability represents a new standard in African transport technology, one that could influence future projects across the continent. Voices of leadership and vision. When the trains were unveiled, Minister Kamal El Wazir called the day a defining moment in Egypt's modernization journey. The inaugural ride of the Desiro regional train and the arrival of the Velaro marks a defining moment in Egypt's transport modernization strategy. This project will redefine passenger experience, reduce travel times, and boost connectivity between cities. It reflects our commitment to building a modern, safe, and sustainable rail network that supports Egypt's growth for generations to come. For Siemens Mobility, it was more than a business success. It was a symbol of partnership and progress. Tarek Ali, CEO of Siemens Mobility Egypt, shared his pride in what the collaboration has achieved so far, showcasing the Velaro in Egypt and performing the first train run of the Desiro regional train are proud milestones for our consortium and for the nation's high-speed rail journey. This train is not only a symbol of engineering excellence, but also a step towards a cleaner, smarter, and more connected Egypt. Their words perfectly capture what's at stake. This isn't just about transportation, it's about national development. The Desiro HC. While the Velaro steals the spotlight with its speed and futuristic design, the Desiro high-capacity regional train is equally vital. It's built to serve everyday travelers, connecting smaller cities and towns to Egypt's economic hubs. Each Desiro HC can carry up to 849 passengers and reach speeds of 160 kilometers per hour. With features like air conditioning, ETCS Level 2 signaling, and wheelchair access, these trains promise both comfort and accessibility. And like the Velaro, the Desiro HC was also customized for Egypt's conditions. It's durable, reliable, and efficient. The kind of train that could completely change daily life for millions of commuters. Imagine being able to travel from Alexandria to Cairo in a fraction of the time, or from Marsa, Matru to Ain Sakna without spending an entire day on the road. That's the kind of change the Desiro fleet will bring. Engineering a sustainable future. Siemens Mobility's approach goes beyond construction. It's about long-term sustainability. The company has committed to a 15-year maintenance program for the entire system. That includes 41 Velaro high-speed trains, 94 Desiro HC regional trains, and 41 Vectron locomotives. Maintenance will cover everything, from train fleets to signaling systems and infrastructure. This ensures not only reliability, but also knowledge transfer, as Egyptian technicians are trained to maintain and operate the network to world-class standards. This partnership shows Siemens' commitment to Egypt's long-term success, a symbol for Africa's transformation. Beyond Egypt's borders, this project sends a powerful message. Africa is ready for large-scale, high-tech infrastructure that meets global standards. From Kenya's standard gauge railway to Morocco's Al Barak high-speed line, the continent is already embracing new transport technologies. But Egypt's project, covering 2,000 kilometers and linking almost its entire population, takes things to a new level. Once operational, it will not only be the 6th largest high-speed rail system in the world, but also a model for what's possible elsewhere in Africa. Countries across the continent will be watching closely. If Egypt's network succeeds, and all signs suggest it will, it could inspire a new wave of high-speed rail projects that connect regions, boost trade, and reshape economies. A future on rails. In a world racing toward cleaner, smarter mobility, Egypt isn't catching up. It's leading. The unveiling of the Velaro in Cairo wasn't just a celebration of engineering, it was a declaration of intent. The goal is clear: build a connected nation that's faster, greener, and more inclusive. From Cairo to Ain Sakna, from Alexandria to Marsa Matru, Egypt's new rail network will bring cities closer, open doors for business, and make travel simpler for everyone. As Siemens Mobility continues to deliver and maintain this groundbreaking system, Egypt's skyline and its economy will transform with it. The journey ahead. So, what happens next? Over the coming months, more trains will be delivered, more tracks will be completed, and more cities will join this growing web of steel and speed. The Velaro will begin. Carrying passengers, the Desiro will link regions, and Egypt will finally see the vision of a Suez Canal on rails come alive. And this might just be the start, because once the trains start running, their success could echo far beyond Egypt's borders. Africa's next transport revolution may already be in motion, and it's running on rails. This is more than a story about trains. It's a story about ambition, innovation, and the determination to shape the future. So what do you think? Could this be the moment Africa changes how it moves forever? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, because the world is watching, and Egypt's next stop is history.